All right, we are starting chapter 4, and the first part, chapter 4, section 4.1, deals with applying the triangle sum properties. First off, triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. We've known that since, first, second grade, kindergarten, stuff like that. But we do have specific specific ideas, specific names for things to kind of help us solve the different properties of a triangle. First off, in the screen here, it shows this triangle that has A, B, C at the 3 points. Those 3 points are called the vertices. If you're just looking at one, it would be called the vertex. And the naming of a triangle is to the right of the triangle where it has a little triangle on the side and it says ABC. And it's named by the vertices that it displays. Now, when we are classifying triangles, we can classify them 2 ways. The first way we can classify them is by their sides. The first one we have there on the screen is what is called a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle basically says that none of the sides are congruent. So this length is different from this length is different from this length. Okay. The second one is called an isosceles triangle. And an isosceles triangle means that it has at least 2 congruent sides. So this side here and this side here would be the same measure because of the tick marks, or if they gave us a measure that happened to be the same. And then finally we have a equilateral triangle where all 3 angles, or all 3 sides, are congruent. The other classification of triangles is displayed by its angles. So the first one up there is called an acute triangle. An acute triangle means that all 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. So all of these interior angles here would be less than 90 degrees. The next one would be a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has one right angle, and it is displayed by this little square mark on the corner. And then we have what is called an obtuse triangle,